On April 14, 1912, the Titanic, on its maiden voyage, was considered the largest and most luxurious ship in the world, believed to be unsinkable. After dinner, passengers were enjoying a calm evening, when at 11:40 p.m., a loud crash shook the ship. The announcement came, "We've struck an iceberg." At first, no one realized the extent of the damage. Some thought it was a minor incident, but it quickly became clear that the ship was in serious trouble. As water began flooding the lower decks, it became obvious that the Titanic was sinking. The crew tried to maintain order, but the situation was rapidly deteriorating. The lifeboats were insufficient for all the passengers. Women and children were prioritized for lifeboats, but many men were left behind. In the chaos, some passengers scrambled for safety, while others remained calm, unaware of how dire the situation was. As the hours passed, the Titanic's bow began to sink deeper into the ocean. By 2:20 a.m. on April 15th, the ship had completely submerged. The once grand dining rooms and luxurious cabins were now submerged in the icy waters of the Atlantic. Over 1,500 lives were lost that night, marking it as one of the deadliest maritime disasters in history. The sinking of the Titanic continues to be remembered as a tragic event that shocked the world.